Hello, Margaret Ann here again with Pixify Designs. I wanted to go over the folders with you. So by now you have them downloaded, they're on your computer, and you're wanting to open them. Okay, so you have to have some type of zip file software in order to unzip zip files. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight all of these, and then I'm going to right click on them, and you have normal people have the WinZip on their computer already. It comes with your software, I think. I like to use the 7-zip. So anyhow, I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to click on extract here. Okay, so it will go into the same file that you're working in. So extract here, and here you'll see that you have all of the folders right there. Okay, now I'm going to go over with you on my files. The files that come into all of my bundles are AI, EPS, PDF, PNG, SVG, and JPG. Okay, you have to have software to open each of these files. Not one software is going to open all of these. So if you click on the first one, which is AI, these are AI files. And as you can see, here's the little tab. Let me go up here and go to view thumbnails. Okay, see how these show up? They're showing up like that because I don't have my software open to open these. To open AI files, I use Adobe Illustrator. I know there are some other software out there that will open AI files, but if you don't have that specific software, these will not show you images. They're just going to look just like this. Okay, so we're going to go back now to the folder, and the same is going to go with EPS. They're going to open up just like this. You're not going to see anything unless you have software to read these files. They're just going to show up like that. And again, I use Adobe Illustrator for these. Then you have PFD, which these are PFD files. Obviously, Adobe will open these. If you have Adobe PDF, you will see images. Now you see the images, but you see the little icon that's going to have it's open with Adobe. Okay, so you can see what the images are. The same thing for PNG. You're going to see pictures, and that's because your computer that you're on normally comes with software automatically that will read the PNG folders, PNG files, and also JPG files, so JPEG. Okay? And then we're going to go back, and here's the SVG. These are all in the same one. You have JPG, which is JPEG files here, same difference. And then you have this one that's showing AI, but it's SVG. Adobe Illustrator can open the SVG folder. So does Cricut. So a lot of people are using the SVG so they can see the Cricut image. And this is what you're going to use. So when you are in your software and you're trying to view these, please look at the file name. It's extremely important. If you are trying to use a program that does not read a specific file and that's what you're trying to open, you're going to have an error message. It's not going to open for you. So it's extremely important that when you are opening your images, you're opening the correct image for the software you're using or programs such as Cricut. I hope this little tutorial was helpful for you and give you a better understanding on the images. One other thing I want to mention, my images specifically are in groups by the file description, okay? Meaning there's not just 5 images in this folder, then 6 in here, and so on and so on. all my packages either come with 15 or like 20 images. All images are in each one of these folders. The only difference is the file format that it's in is different. So all 15 are here. This one has 16. All 16 are here. And then in the next one, all 16 are there, and so on. Okay, so I just want to let you know that you have to download all of the zip folders in order to get the file format you're looking for. Again, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or need further help, please feel free to go ahead and message me. And God bless everyone, and please stay safe. Thank you.